Yeah, baby.
Officer, I need to report that crime.
Sir, calm down. What is the crime?
Listen, a female lied to me and make me cheat on my wife.
Sir, what?
Yeah, she tempt me and tell me about how her pum wet and how it tight and how she's much better than my wife. And all of that was a lie, cause it dry like sandpaper. She big like the Grand Canyon, right? And she just lie down there like a dead fish, like a plant. I don't know what to do.
Sir, we don't arrest people for not having a tight vagina and lying. If we did, 90% of IG women would be in prison.
Why she need to be charged for something? Well, at least when we get back the money when we spend on her 3% then.
Okay, sir, what's her name?
She need a mackerel.
Mackerel. Mackerel official? You sure?
Yeah.
Yo, call everybody, the SWAT, the army, the Coast Guard, everybody, call her. At least we are trained for enough.